Good morning, students. We will continue our chapter, The Proposal. Natalia, what sort of a hunter are you? You can't even sit on a horse. To her father, Papa, what's the matter with him? Papa, look. Papa screams. Ivan Vasilievich is dead. Now Natalia, she says, what sort of a hunter are you? What kind of hunter you are? You can't even sit on a horse. To her father, Papa, what is the matter? What is the matter with him? Please look the person. Look, Papa screams. She shouts. Ivan Vasilievich is dead. Chubuko, I am sick. I can't breathe air. Chubuko replies, I am sick. I can't breathe air. Natalia, he is dead. Pulls Lomo's sleeve. Ivan Vasilievich, what have you done to me? He is dead. Falls into an armchair. A doctor, hysterics. Now, Chubuko, he says, I am in trouble. I can't breathe. Natalia, he is dead. Pulls Lomo's sleeve. Now she realizes that the person is no more, and she pulls Lomo's sleeve. Ivan Vasilievich, what have you done to me? Now she is questioning, what have you done? What have you done to me? He is dead. Falls into an armchair. A doctor, hysterics. She falls into an armchair and she says, call a doctor. Chubuko, oh, what is it? What's the matter? Now Chubuko, he says, what is it? What is the matter? What is going on? Natalia wails, he is dead. She weeps, she cries, she says, he is dead, he is no more. Chubuko, who is dead? Looks at Lomo. So he is, my word, water. A doctor lifts a tumbler to Lomo's mouth. Drink this? No, he doesn't drink. It means he is dead and all that. I am that more unhappy of man. Why don't I put a bullet into brain? Why haven't I cut my throat yet? What am I waiting for? Give me a knife. Give me a pistol. Lomo moves. He seems to be coming round. Drink some water. That is right. Now he asks, who is dead? Now he looks at Lomo and he says, oh, so he is. My word, water. Now he says, give him some water. Call the doctor. He lifts a tumbler and gives Lomo to drink it. Drink this? No, he doesn't drink, but he is unable to drink. It means he is dead and all that. Now he says, I am most unhappy man. Why don't I put a bullet into brain? Why haven't I cut my throat yet? Now he says, I should not remain on this earth. I should die. What am I waiting for? What am I doing? What am I waiting for? Give me a knife, give me a pistol. And Lomo moves. He seems to be coming round. Now as he moves, it seems that the person, he seems to be coming down. Now drink some water. That's all right. Now he says, it seems that the person is going well. Lomo is going well, and that is right. If he will take water, if he will drink water, he will be all right. Lomo, I see stars mist. Where am I? Now he asks, where I am? I see stars. I see mist. Chubuko, hurry up and get married. And well, to the devil with you. She is willing. He puts Lomo's hand into his daughter's. She is willing and all that. I give you my blessing and so on. Only leave me in peace. Now he says, hurry up and get married. Don't waste your time. And my daughter is willing. He put his hand into his daughter's hand and he says she is willing. So I give you my blessing. I bless you both and only leave me in peace. Now I want to live alone. I want to live in peace. Lomo getting up. Yeah, what? To whom? He asks. Oh, what are you saying? To whom I should marry? Chubuko, she is willing. Well, kiss and be damned to you. Now he says she is agree. All right, you can kiss. Why you are not following my point? Natalia wails. He is alive. Yes, I am willing. And she says, oh, the person is alive. Yes, I am willing to marry you. Chubuko, kiss each other. So they kiss each. Chubuko says to kiss each other. Lomo, hey, kiss whom? They kiss. Very nice. To excuse me, what is it all about? Oh, now I understand. My heart starts. I am happy. Natalia Stepanovna kisses her hand. My foot's gone to sleep. Now he understands what the person is saying. They kiss and he says, what? Excuse me, what is all? What's it all about? Oh, now I understand. My heart starts. Now I am feeling happy. And he kisses her hand and he says, my foot's gone to sleep. Natalia, I am happy too. She also expresses her happiness. She says, I am also happy. What a weight off my shoulders out, Chubuko. Now he asks, I think now I am free. Now I am also happy. But Natalia, but still you will admit now that gas is worse than a squeezer. Again she says, but now you will admit that gas. Who was gas? Gas was the dog. Gas is worse than squeezer. Lomo, better. No, is better. Natalia, worse. She again begin to argue. She again argues. Chubuko, well, that is way to start your family bliss. Have some campaign. Lomo, he is better. Natalia, worse. They again argues again and again. Chubuko trying to shout her down, campaign. Now in this way they are arguing and Chubuko is blessing Natalia and Lomo. Thank you.